How to use multiple gift cards on eBay. Browse eBay and add items you wish to purchase. Click on the cart icon to proceed to checkout. If you haven't already signed in, you will need to do that so at this stage. At the checkout page, locate the gift cards, coupons, eBay bucks section. Here you will have the option to enter your gift card codes. Enter the code from your first gift card into the designated file and click apply. If you have more than one gift card, repeat the process by entering the codes for each additional gift card and clicking apply after each one. After applying all your gift cards, check that the total amount has been deducted from your order. If the total amount has been fully covered by your gift cards, proceed to complete your purchase. If there is any remaining balance, you can pay the difference using another payment method such as credit card or PayPal. By following these steps, you can use multiple gift cards to make a purchase on eBay and take advantage of balances of each gift cards. Thanks for watching.